Hi guys, this is Preeti Chauhan, a affiliate marketer. I am back. Today our topic is, do we need a website for our affiliate marketing? So I can say, if we have a e-commerce store and we have thousands of product, then definitely we need a website, because we have to describe the product. We have to describe the product according to color, according to the size. So variation is there. We have to maintain the stock. Then definitely we need a website, because we there will be a payment gateway that will be also attached with that. So at this time you need a website. If you have only 2 or 3 products that you are doing affiliate for that, then definitely there is no need of website. You can create a free blog with the help of Wix. You can create a blog with the help of Blogger. You can create a landing page with the help of GetResponse. You can create landing page with the help of Groovepages, that is totally free. You can place your link there. Okay. If you don't want to create a blog or a landing page, then there is different options as also available. You can create you can place your link in different guest posts, where you can place your link, and when visitor will visit on that, definitely your link will be displayed. You can place your link in different forums where question answer is there. You just have to give the answer for that, and you can place your link. After that, you can place your link in different reviews, because every product has a reviews, bad reviews, sometimes good reviews. And you just see that in Google reviews or Shout Me Loud reviews. So negative response is always on the top of the search engine. But you are affiliator, you face many problem at that time. So you want a good reputation of the product at the top of the website. So you can do one thing: you can place your link with a good review continuously, so that your ranking will be increased. And you can, when visitor on different reviews, definitely when a person purchase a thing, he will see the review, and you can find, and your sale will be easier. And after that, you can do different method, that is Medium, Quora, where you can also place your link. You can also give reviews of the product. So it will be easier for you if you place your link at different website, different blogs. So you just have to do one thing: you just have to make a spin wheel. Create a blog, place a link in Medium, place a link in Quora, place a link in Pinterest. You can also place your link, where you can define different products. For example, you are doing affiliate of 2 or 3 products, so you can place link of all of this. You can also place a link for Groovepages or GetResponse. So you just, when you will create a link for that, your link will always be there. If a person want to purchase from blog and he is not satisfied, place a link there, he will move to other place, he will read more thing, then definitely he will go to review or something. So just make a wheel, and your, when a user will read so many things, then definitely your purchase will be definite. You have to find the thing, so things will be so easier for you. Okay, thank you.